Hi, my name is Alisha. I would like to introduce you guys to the meaning of pump and piston pump in general. So first, pump in general. A pump is a mechanical device that uses mechanical action to move fluids. Hydraulic energy also occurs in pump. So pump is a hydraulic device that lifts fluid from low to high levels and moves fluids from low to high pressure areas. Next, for piston pump. Piston pump are often used in scenarios where high constant pressure is required, such as in water irrigation or supply system. It only having just two valves and one stuffing box. It also uses suction to raise water into chamber. The lower valve can be placed below water level. Next, the piston pump must be within about 25 feet of the water level, so the water can then be raised quite high. It is to make sure that they can effectively draw and lift water. Having the pump closer to the water source, reducing the length of the suction line, making it easier to prime the pump. Next, we'll move on to the main pump, which is the reciprocating piston pump. So, what is the definition of this pump? The reciprocating piston pump is a positive displacement type of pump that operates on the basis of the piston moving forward and backward. So, when a specific amount of fluid, usually some, what is some? Some typically refers to a pit or reservoir that collects and contains a liquid, often water. So, the sum needs to be moved from the lowest area to the highest area using pressure. Reciprocating pumps are utilized. Next, how does it work? As you can see in the example diagram, the suction stroke of a reciprocating piston pump draws fluid in, while the compression stroke compresses and expels the fluids. This constant reciprocating motion creates a steady and dependable fluid flow, which qualifies the pump for applications that need accuracy and consistency.
My name is Nasia and I'm going to present about operational principle of reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pumps operate on the principle of a positive displacement, which means that regardless of the discharge pressure, they move a certain volume of each stroke. A reciprocating pump uses the back and front action of a piston and a plunger to transform the mechanical energy into a fluid flow. Next, we move to the basic principle of reciprocating piston pumps. First, the piston expels liquid through one wheel valve. And second, for pumping rate, it adjusted by controlling the piston requires a limited amount of liquid pushed out by each stroke. And third, the cam, pushing a sapphire piston back and forth. And then, when piston moving backwards, it sucks the inlet through the inlet check valve. Then, the sapphire ball is lifted, allowing the inlet to pass through. And then, when the piston moves forward, it causes the liquid to push the inlet wall down and closing the pad. Meanwhile, the outlet ball is lifted, opening the outlet valve. However, the disadvantages of this sinusoidal pressure pulsations may occur in this pump.
I will continue the next slide, which is main component of reciprocating piston pump. The first one is cylinder, the chamber where the piston or plugger move back and forth. The next one is piston or plunger, the part that creates the suction and pressure by reciprocating inside the cylinder. Next is connecting rod, the rod that connects the piston rod to the crank. Crank, the circular disc that rotates and converts the rotary motion of the motor into the reciprocating motion of the piston or plunger. Next is suction valve, the valve that allows the fluid to enter the cylinder from the suction pipes during the suction stroke. Delivery valve, the valve that allows the fluid to exit the cylinder from the delivery pipe. Next is suction pipe, the pipe that connects the fluid sources to the cylinder. Delivery pipe, the pipe that connects the cylinder to the fluid destination. That's all from me. Let's go to the next part.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nur Safia Nabila and today I'll be presenting about the applications of the reciprocating piston pumps. Even though there are many types of applications that can be used in the industry, today I'll only be talking about 4 types of applications in the industry that can be used. Firstly, the reciprocating piston pump are used in the hydraulic systems. It plays a crucial role in the hydraulic machinery, providing the necessary pressure needed to operate different components. Secondly, it is used in the oil and gas industry. So, reciprocating pumps are employed for transferring liquid in oil and gas processing, including the injections of chemicals or moving fluids within pipelines. Thirdly, the reciprocating piston pumps are also used in the automotive industry. They are used in certain automotive systems such as hydraulic brake systems where precise pressure control is essential. Last but not least, it is used in the high pressure cleaning. So, the reciprocating piston pumps are effective in pressure washer for cleaning applications, where high pressure is required to remove dirt and grime. That's all from me, thank you.
The advantages is, firstly, high pressure generation. They can create high pressures from low flow situation. Second, proven technology. Reciprocating pumps are one of the oldest designs still being used. For the third is durability. They can work with highly corrosive or abrasive materials because a pump can be made with everything from ceramics to carbon. This technology is used in applications that range from air transfer to pumping cement. For the D, high section lift. The reciprocating pumps gives a high section lift. For the E, wide pressure range. This pump can operate in a wide pressure range. F, constant rate of discharge. It is because it has a constant rate of discharge. Furthermore, it also has disadvantage. Firstly, high maintenance. These pumps require much maintenance to continue functioning properly. They have a high wear and tear, therefore requiring very high maintenance. Second, pulsation. The piston movement that moves liquid or gas creates a pulsation within the inlet and outlet of the pump. This pulsation cannot be eliminated and may cause damage to surrounding system if severed. For the third, potential self-damage. The movement of the pistons can be violent enough in normal operations to cause pump to damage itself over time. Despite this, reciprocating piston pumps are still widely used due to their ability and generate high pressure and their proven technology.